How to fix Instagram camera length on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android or iOS phone. First, go to settings and then scroll down until you find battery. Now make sure power saving mode is disabled. Then close all the applications in the background and restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Go to Play Store, make sure your Instagram is updated. As you see, there is no update here for me, but you can find any update and then your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix it or he can't find any update or something like that, then go to settings, apps, and then apps again, click Instagram, click force stop and go to storage, clear data. You will need to log in again after that, but that will help you to fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.